I'll guide you through exactly how to add product reviews to your Shopify store without needing to be a code expert or paying a fortune for premium apps. If you're looking to build instant trust and social proof for your products, or you want to boost your SEO and conversion rates with star ratings, and so you need to integrate customer reviews onto your site, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. You've heard it before. Reviews are crucial. Since Shopify doesn't have a robust built-in review feature, the best way to get this powerful social proof is with an app from the Shopify App Store. The first step is choosing the right product review app. We have 3 excellent options tailored to your specific goals. If you're looking for a powerful, feature-rich app with a generous free plan, Judge.me is the gold standard for collecting text, photo, and video reviews. If your brand is highly visual and you want to prioritize beautiful customer photos, check out Looks. Alternatively, for a very basic free option, Shopify's own Product Reviews app is a simple choice, though it lacks the advanced features of the others. For this tutorial, we'll use one of the most popular options, like Judge.me. The second step is the quick installation. From your Shopify admin, click the Apps link on the left-hand sidebar and search for your chosen app. From the app listing page, click Install App on the Permissions page. This grants the app the necessary permissions to work with your store's theme and customer data. Follow any final setup prompts on the app's welcome screen. Step 3 is adding the review widgets to your product page. We'll use the modern drag-and-drop Shopify 2.0 method. Navigate to Online Store, click Themes, and click on Customize on your live theme. At the top, switch the page view to Product Page. On the left sidebar, find the Product Information section. Click on Add Block. You are looking for a block named after your app, typically the star rating badge. Drag this block to position the star rating right underneath the product title. Next, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Add Section. Select the app's main review widget. This is the section where all the written and photo reviews will appear. Finally, use the settings panel on the right sidebar to change the colors and font of the widgets and perfectly match your store's branding. Don't forget to click Save to make your changes live. Pro tip: if you have an older Shopify theme or are using a third-party page builder, the automatic install may fail. In this case, you can always go into your app's dashboard, copy the liquid or HTML widget code snippet, and manually paste it into your theme's main product.liquid file. Step 4 is setting up automation. A review app is only as good as the reviews it collects. Go into your app's main dashboard, find the review request email settings, enable automatic email sending to your customers a specified number of days after they receive their order. 7 to 14 days is a good window. This ensures a steady, hands-off stream of new reviews. And just like that, you have a professional, automated review system on your Shopify store. Now that you've learned how to add product reviews to your Shopify store, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Shopify video tutorials. Thanks for watching.